Today's sticky note fact is that the deepest part of the ocean is called the Mariana Trench, and it goes down about 36,000 feet. The Mariana Trench, located in the Pacific Ocean, is so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, the mountain would still be covered by over a mile of water. It's one of the most extreme and unexplored places on Earth. Fun fact: the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, which is why so few submarines have made the journey to the bottom. If you could explore the Mariana Trench, what kind of creatures or things do you think you'd discover down there? Pause and discuss with your class or leave a comment with your answer. And that's today's sticky note fact. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.